Hi everyone, welcome back to Slate Secrets YouTube channel.
In this video, I'm showing you crochet hair that is sold on Amazon. You know, just a little show and tell.
The hair vendor from Amazon is called Youngther Hair. Here's the box. It's a big boy. You see this? A big boy. I just love to get big boxes in the mail. You guys have no idea. But anyway, let's open up this box because I have a feeling there's more than just hair in here. I just know it. So let's find out. Ooh, I love when I'm right. There are goodies and gifts in this order. The first gift is they give you a little mirror. It comes in a package. We can open it. Why not? Why not open it for funsies? It's a little Hello Kitty mirror. They also give you a crochet hook, some rubber bands. The next thing that they give is 2 hair clippies. And the final thing that they give is 3 little hair jewelries. They gave us 6 packages of crochet hair. So since they all should be the same, I will open one. So here's one of the sets of the crochet hair. So it's supposed to be 18 inches long. So let's go ahead and measure one of the strands.
So the 18-inch mark is here.
So if I hold it down, definitely past the 18-inch mark. This is definitely the size that they advertised for this.
So from holding them up, they just about reached the 18-inch mark. So I will give them a point for true to length.
The 18-inch mark is right here. The hair is very wavy. Look at this hair. It's like wild wavy. Like some of them are coiled.
But when you stretch out this hair, it pulls down all the way to 24 inches. Either way, this hair is very long.
The smell, it smells like synthetic hair. It doesn't smell bad. It just smells like synthetic hair. The hair texture feels good. I mean, again, it's synthetic hair, so it's not human hair. It should be easy to install. It doesn't look like there will be any issues. I like how spongy the hair is. Look at this. Look how spongy it is. Like, it's very bouncy.
This hair is pretty durable, as you can see. Like, this coily style is going to remain consistent.
So they say each pack comes with 21 strands. We can double check. Okay, and yes, this is 21 strands. This is a good amount of hair.
This hair looks exactly like the picture that they advertise on Amazon. Not to mention that the description actually does describe exactly how the hair actually is.
This color is in 1B. They did have some with colors on the end, and those look super cute. Me, I'm kind of afraid of color, so I always stick to 1B. I'm starting to step out of my shell with color, starting to experiment with color. Like, I like to stay in the browns. They did have one that was a brown color on the bottom, like a light brown, and then a natural brown looking color at the top. But you know, I got the 1B. It's classic, you know. I think 6 packs should be enough hair for your whole head. If it comes with 21 strands and there's 6 packages, that's like what? 126 strands? That's a lot of hair. So I think you'll be good, you know. Just spread out the strands throughout your head when you crochet it on. 6 packages should be more than enough, I think. These are some really nice faux locks. I look forward to crocheting them in for a nice protective hairstyle. I'm all about protecting natural hair. This will be a nice protective style to have in for a few weeks. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys this crochet hair that you can get off of Amazon. Amazon has everything. I swear, everything. You can order it and have it delivered to your door. You don't even have to leave the house. Comes to you in 2 days, and it is very affordable. You definitely get your money's worth. Like, you get 6 packs and they give you the utensils that you need to crochet the hair in. Like, you can't beat that. You don't have to go to the beauty supply store anymore. You can get everything that you need off of Amazon. For a good price, you can get all these items. That's what's up. I'm excited. I cannot wait. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. This is just a show and tell video. Definitely give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to be subscribed to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.